Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a powerful AI toolset for your photo and design editing needs. How to use Photo Editor AI. So it's very easy. Just open your browser on your mobile phone and search photoeditor.ai. So this is the free AI photo editor. So it's very easy. You can try to generate a image generator, detailer, expand, in paint, remove background, clean up, enhance your image, even upscale. So let's try start creating here. So this is the generator. For example, I want to generate dragon breath. Generate. So you have to wait 10 seconds. So this is the dragon breath generated by photo editor here. So let's zoom in. So you can download it, but before that you can try to another results here, like different artwork here that you can try. This one, so you can detailer here, then clean up. This is for clean up some noise, expand, square, portrait, landscape, custom, in paint or remove background, and enhance, and then upscale. So please free to try to use this photo editor AI. You can download it, but you have to sign up first. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.